Ronaldo Ronnie Villanueva Puno, born April 25, 1948, is a Filipino politician who has served as the representative for Antipolo's 1st District since 2025, a position he previously held from 2004 to 2006. He previously served as the 32nd Secretary of the Interior and Local Government from 1999 to 2000 and from 2006 to 2010. A political strategist, Puno supported the presidential bids of eventual winners Fidel V. Ramos, Joseph Estrada, and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Puno was also responsible for the campaign of Vice President and United Nationalist Alliance presidential candidate Jejomar Binay for the 2016 election. During Arroyo's presidency, Puno served as the leader of CAMPI, the chief administration party during her presidency. Puno has a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science from the Ateneo de Manila University and Masteral Credits from Johns Hopkins University School of Advanced International Studies, and has 35 years of extensive experience in business and public relations and administration. Serving the Philippine government for the past 22 years has brought him to assignments as a diplomat in Washington, D.C., enabled him to interact with representatives and officials of the U.S. and the Philippine government in the areas of political and private business cultures, customs, strategy, formulation, and decision-making processes. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.